Hello, my name's Jocelyn. You've reached my YouTube teaching channel. This is Scofield Studio, and the series that I'm working on is called HiTS, or How to Singing, to help people sing better and have a better ear. So this exercise deals with seconds. So if you're not sure what a second is, if you look at the sheet, the solfege sheet, this is our scale that we're working with. It is the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So when we're figuring out seconds, a second in the major scale is the note directly above or below the note that you're on. So if we're singing do, so the note right above do, re, is a second. The note right below do is also a second. Do, ti is a different kind of second, but we'll get into that some other time. If you go do, mi, that's not a second, that's a third, that's too big. So a second has to be the note right above it or below it. So in this exercise, we're going to walk up a second. So do, re, sing the same note again, re, mi. So every little measure in this exercise is going to be a second. Do, re, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la. And sometimes when singing this exercise, people have the hardest time with the repeating note. Not the second, but singing the same note twice. So we're going to work on that just a little bit. We're going to sing it together. I'll sing the first measure and then you sing it back. I'll sing the second measure, you sing it back. So we have a little call and response, then we'll do it together. Starting at the beginning, a high voice is here, low voice is here. I'll sing it, you sing it back. Do, re, re, mi, fa, fa, sol, sol, la, la, ti, do. Then we're gonna end on do. Then we walk down do, ti, la, do, ti, la, la, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Then we end on do. Does that make sense? Just checking to make sure I'm recording. I didn't on the last one. Okay, so let's do this together. So we're going to sing it together. Do, re, then just keep going. Re, mi, and so on. I'll sing with you this time. Ready? High voices here, low voices here. Ready? Go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la, ti, do, then do, ti, la, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. I was trying to do it in an octave. All right, let's do it again. Ready, go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la, ti, do, ti descending, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. For this next two, we're going to do 2 times where I don't play the melody. You'll still hear you'll still hear the first note because I walk up with you, but I won't play the second note basically. If you think it's really easy, this time just try to be a little bit more musical when you sing it. Anytime you're singing exercises, you want to make them really in tune, precise rhythmically, but also you want to make them musical. So if you're ever in any of these exercises, if it's too easy, make it more challenging by adding dynamics, adding phrasing, or just making it legato or staccato, whatever to make it more challenging for you in the moment. All right. I'm not going to play the melody this time. High voices, low voices. Ready, go. If you found that really challenging, go back and do it with me playing the melody or singing along a few more times. If not, go ahead and do it one more time without me. Ready, go. All right, added some fun notes in there, but okay, I hope this is helpful. Good luck with it. If it's too hard, go back and just do the first half and don't worry about singing by yourself without me playing the melody or singing it. If you do it enough, the second part becomes easier or easy. All right, good luck.